DAC Worldwide's Pump Packing and Mechanical Seal Training System Plus is a unique, multi-purpose demonstration device related to training in industrial pump sealing systems. The trainer supports basic introductory training in pump packing and mechanical seal operation and gives learners a first-hand view into a component that is found in various maintenance applications worldwide. Based on the dimensions of a standard ANSI centrifugal pump and incorporating a clear acrylic seal area, this lightweight trainer allows for installation and testing of a broad variety of mechanical seals and conventional packing systems. PVC representative impeller housing, leak-off taps, and provisions for vents and drains allow learners to be introduced to pressurized water for test seals and packing under moderate pressure. Additionally, food coloring can be added to allow greater visibility of migration through an improperly packed stuffing box or leakage of a mechanical seal which has been installed incorrectly. The Pump Packing and Mechanical Seal Training System Plus provides a realistic training introduction to the fundamentals of centrifugal pumps, which will make introductory courses in pump sealing, maintenance, and operation more productive, realistic, and memorable for learners. The trainer components are also industrial grade, mimicking what students might encounter on the job. Contact your DAC representative today to find out more.